cuties. Hey kitties. Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number, 19 of writer's prompt. And today's writer's prompt is, before we get into the writer's prompt, I want you guys to go ahead and like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below to my YouTube channel, and also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and also go follow on my social media pages, click that description box below, and let's get into this video. Okay, cuties, since today's writer prompt is car keys. Yes, car keys. Yes, car keys. People driving. It's the time where people turn 16, get their driver's permit, then get the license when they turn 18, and go on their way and driving to their friend's house, driving to the store, just driving away to have freedom, or what's it, responsibilities or independence. Yeah, but I'm not one of those people that I don't have my driver's license. I never had my permits, but I am going to get my driver's license very soon. I even scheduled an appointment, but I don't know when we're going to go to it. I'm going to be showing you guys probably when I do my driver's test and stuff. So yeah, I'll tell you a story about that later. But someone getting their driver's license for the first time. Well, the only person I seen that got their driver's license for the first time is my brother. But I never was there when he got his driver's license. I was at home both times when he got his driver's license and his permit. But I was there in the car when he drove. So basically, I don't really know what, like, the story how to. All I know is that he was kind of nervous. Everyone gets their nervous. Like, I think it's kind of like a natural human thing where they get nervous because, like, that's gonna be like their first step of being a adult or being able to be independent or kind of like stuff like that. So all I know is for like when he got his license or driver's permit, I think, because it was a while before he got his driver's license. But when he got his driver's permit, that was like, he didn't go out and drive for a bit, but after a while we would have to go to the park. So that was his perfect time for him to drive, and that was gonna be my first time seeing him drive actually, instead of like at all, because I had never seen him drive before. So I was actually in the car when he drove. So when he was driving, we was driving to the park, right? And as we was driving to the park, it was going good because for me, I expect every time when that first driver drives, they either crash into something or they hit something. I, for one, did that my very first time ever driving. Third time I drove was in a ditch. First time driving, I was speeding fast a little bit, not like speeding like vroom, like a race car driver. No, I only speeded like a kind of not like a regular day, any type of day driver. No, a driver just like a normal, knowing that the person is gonna be driving first time, driving fast. Like, I put my foot on the gas. I was like so nervous, so yeah. But yeah, for him, he was actually good for driving. He did perfect. Well, not, I don't want to say perfect. He did good for his driving, like going to like from the house all the way down to the park. He drove good. He drove good. He parked good. It's just he drives like a grandma. Like, I know for the very first time my personal opinion, when he was driving, he drove good. Like, he didn't hit anybody on the road. He didn't like stop at a non-stop sign. He stopped at a perfect stop sign where it says stop sign, or at any turn signals he turned. It was kind of sharp turn, but not really sharp turn. He like did good, but he drives slow. Like, I know it's probably me because I'm in the speed, but he drives. I know it's probably me because I'm in the speed, but he drives slow, like grandma slow. Like, bruh, pick up speed a little bit. Turn straight, go like drive fast a little bit. Like, pick up speed. Don't have to be under the speed limit, bruh. But he did really good, like for his driving. Like, but I can't be like all kind of about like, bro, you didn't drive. I can drive faster than you. Like, I can't say that. I can say, for instance, I didn't say that about anybody else like driving. Like, when I drive, I'm gonna be driving better than you. I wasn't one like I say like, at least you drive better than I could. At least you drive better than me. Cause I didn't know how I was driving, like how I see myself drive before. I say I did pretty good for a person that hasn't driven a day in her life before. I only drove like a few bit. Like, I drive like down the street, going down the street, or like doing turns. Like, I need for instance. Okay, guys, if you have not heard me told you the story before how I drove, or my first time ever driving, I'll link that right here, or I'll link that down here, or I'll link that somewhere where I had told you the story about how I first time drove. I'm not gonna tell it again because I don't like telling myself, repeat my story twice as much. So here's it. It's gonna be right there or down here. Wait. Yeah, it's gonna be right there or down there. So check those out where I have told you guys my very first time I was driving. All I know is that for me, when I was driving, the third time I drove in a ditch. Like, I drove in a shallow ditch. You know where the gutters is? Not a ditch, like the gutters. I keep saying ditch, but it's like the gutters where like the street is, where it's like a shallow, like steep. And it's not steep as like a whole person can jump there and then fall. No, it's just steep like that. Like, I drove from the street, like the stop sign is right here, like stop sign right here, right? And I drove like trying, like, you know how you try to curve? Instead of curving, I kind of went like straight curve, and I ended up driving towards the house, into like the corner of the house, like not the house, but like the corner of the house, into the gutters. Like, how did you do that? I kind of got a little too confident with myself, and I was like, okay, I got it. Boom. I was like right there in the gutters. So for personal information, don't get too confident or you're too cocky about it and then you end up doing something. Because I get too I get too overconfident or too underconfident. Like, when I get too overconfident, I end up start making mistakes or mishaps. And when I do get underconfident, I end up making worse mistakes, like either hit something or nah. But I haven't hit nothing before at all when I drove. Like, I haven't hit nothing. Luckily. But yeah, I am getting my driver's license very soon. I don't know if you guys never met somebody who never got their permit at all when they turned 16. I didn't get my permit. I should have got my permit the day I turned 16, but I was too of a chicken. I know this is like, y'all like, you're just chicken, you know, when you're scared. Dude, driving's scary. Like, it's scary to be driving out here. I'm in the streets, just making streets, no driving. But my mom was a driver, so I've been pretty much learning off of her, like how she drives or how she reads the signs before anything else. Like I asked about that. I'd be there in the front watching everything move, and as you also say, it's different from being in the passenger seat than the driver's seat. And I understand a little bit of the time of how that is, because people can't drive here, like for real. Like people freaking always being in accidents and stuff, or freaking hitting stuff. So that's like a little scary, but I am kind of pumped now. I'm not kind of pumped, I am pumped. Because I am finally going to get my driver's license and be able to drive. Because I know that, because I was like kind of like got like feeling like butthurt about the situation. Because like I am 17 and never had my permit or my driver's license. Oh my gosh, how did you not get those two things at all? Well, I felt not confident to get my driver's license or driver's permit because I was scared of driving. And listen.
Oh my god! Hey y'all.
Hi, this is
I knew it wouldn't do nothing to my hair. I said it.
I know.
I said it. I'm the smart
This is
one.
for my channel.
I'm the smart one. Oh.
Well,
Bye.
bye.
Bye y'all.
I know that.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. For my new my family's channel, please go check out the new family where we do new family. I'm probably going to be showing you guys the video of me dyeing my hair, which it did not take. As you can see, all it did was nothing. It did nothing. So it didn't dye my hair, thankfully. But I really did want my hair to dye at least like the vibrant purple, like not like you can see like you see them off the bat, but like I wanted my hair to dye like kind of like give it that subtle hint of color, like you can see it when you see the sun hit it or something like that. I wanted like that, but it didn't dye well, so yeah. But I am excited to go get my driver's license. I am pumped. I am pumped to go start driving stuff. Kind of probably like start driving for my mom to work or whatever she needs, or yeah. But before, when I was like discouraged about like getting my driver's license, I didn't want to be like scared to drive. Like who is not afraid to drive? Like that's like, yeah, driving was like a new step of things. So, but when the first time like I drove, like that was fun. Like it was scary at first because like I never drove before, and like I don't want to wreck the car or scratch it or anything, so like I make sure this like that. Mom is a great teacher. And I just, my nerves, but the third time I drove, I'm confident about it. The second time I drove, I did get confident, but I got too confident and then like end up like not stopping at the stop sign. It went perfect. The third time I drove, I get to drove all the way down. So I am good to drive. I just need to not be nervous or less confident about myself. But now I'm confident enough that I know my skills and will be mastered to the test. So I am excited to go get my license. Me and my sister's, since my sister's 15 now, she's gonna get her, I think her permit or her license. Either her driver's permit or her license. Me, I'm definitely for sure with my license, so we're gonna both go get our driver's license at the same time. So I am sad that because I didn't want it. I kind of in my heart, like deep down, I wanted to get my license with my sister because I want us to both like be like kind of, I don't know. I just always picture us like as twinsies, so I want us to both do everything at the same time. Like we both get our hair and makeup done, or we like go get our nails done, or we go and like get our license for the first time, shopping together. I just like that. I want it to be our sister, because before I didn't have the best relationship with my sister, but now I have my relationship with my sister. Now that we're kind of like BFFs, now we're about like kind of attached to hip, but like we're like the what's this what I explain ourselves. We're kind of not Pinky and Brain. No, because Pinky didn't Brain didn't like Pinky, but not Dee and Dexter. We're kind of like No, Alvin and Chipmunks. We're kind of like the perfect duo for annoyance and having fun and being ourselves. Like she brings me out. She brings the funny me out, and I just be like her like kind of like her audience, because I'd be like the one that's laughing and also part of her jokes and stuff. So like we're kind of like that. Like we're kind of tight like that. So like sisters and stuff like that. So yeah. We're definitely gonna get our license together. I am excited about that because I am excited to finally get my license. I don't know why I never felt this rush before of like feeling like excited to go get it, because I am. I think it's because after a while, like, cause before I felt bad about my, like how I should have got my driver's license before, but now I am excited. Like I am pumped. It's like a new adrenaline rush. Like I can't wait. Like I can't wait. I never really been in a DMV, so it's like I didn't want to walk in there and not know what to take to do. Like I don't know what I should bring or what I shouldn't bring. But for you guys, whoever is probably watching my video, if you guys need to know what you need to bring, all you're gonna need to definitely bring is your social security card and your birth certificate and your address, for like a piece of address that basically saying that you live at a certain current location and that can identify like you are the person that lives there and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's it. And pretty much I think we just go down there, take a test, then if we pass the test we can go ahead and drive, or we can drive and not do the test. I don't know, but I am excited. So yeah, but I'm probably talking you guys' ear off, but that's it for you kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like. If you guys are first time new drivers, please comment down drivers, or if you have been driving for a while and you have if you have a certain experience that you guys want to share about, comment down below. I would love to freely and chat with you guys. Please comment down below, and also go follow all my social media pages, link down in the description box below. Follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified of positive videos. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties. Kitty out. Bye.